What's up, guys? Taking a look at AMC. Now we have seen this huge spike since May 24th, something like this. We have seen a huge spike here, and then we dropped back. So currently we are trading above the 9 EMA or alongside it, but like way above it. Obviously way above the 20 EMA. Now the RSI went to 95. Well, obviously we pulled back ever since, but we are getting closer to the purple box, while at the same time the candlesticks or the direction that the market is moving is not going lower but actually higher, which might suggest that we could form here bullish trend and maybe even continue this rally and go much higher from here. For now, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we have pulled back to the purple box at the 70 levels, and we are trading, well, basically we are continuing to go to the right side, and on the 4-hour chart it looks the same. We are going up while going lower on the RSI, and the same is happening here. And if we take a look at the stochastic, and the MACD might see a crossover here, which would indicate a bearish momentum, which means we could pull back to the 20-day EMA, but we could then also try and rally up again, because currently we are forming this kind of weird triangle. Well, a triangle most of the times always has more or less two options. Well, like any trade, basically it can go higher or lower, but we are getting closer to the edge of the triangle, so at some point we have to decide where to go. But for now, if we can stay here and continue this trading pattern above the 20-day EMA and this support area here, then we might still go higher. Now, if you take a look at the 1-hour chart, we can see that we can see it even clearer. We are trading above the 20-day EMA, and the triangle here is more or less getting closer to the edge of the breakout. And here, for example, the MACD is pretty low, and so is the stochastic. Well, we still have room to the downside, but we are also forming here this kind of divergence, looking at the MACD as well as or probably the RSI as well. Let's see. So yeah, the RSI is going lower from here as well, which would also indicate that we might break out and go higher from here, which means currently we are at 55, but as long as we stay above the previous lows at around 36, we still have chances to go higher from here. So actually I would be a buyer at these levels. Maybe if we can drop a little bit lower and take an entry. If we take a look at the daily chart, well, let's take the 4-hour chart maybe. So we could take an entry here and target the previous highs, which would, what kind of risk reward ratio is that? 0. This is a shorting position. Okay, I get it. So the trade could look something like this, targeting the previous high, maybe even beyond, which would still give us a 2.9 risk reward ratio if the stop loss is somewhere at 50. Or maybe the second trade would be to wait for pullback until the resistance or support line, which would be somewhere around 39, 38, 37, and then trade all the way back up. So I would still wait maybe for, but on the 1-hour chart, I mean, I don't know what will happen today when the market opens, but it seems to me that we could maybe continue this rally. I would definitely, I would be a buyer still at this point. Well, anyways, thanks for